Um, oops, let's get this back. Yesterday, I did not realize. Well, I did realize actually that my mic. Well, I didn't realize that my mic wasn't working until later in the video, and I watched it back after I uploaded it, which is stupid because I should have just looked at it before. And I realized my mic off. My mic was off the whole time. But I could go over it today. Probably should. Mm, nah, I won't. But that I think I talked about it after my mic was on, but it was basically made zero point 0.5 units and then rushed to break even, which isn't bad for an Anderson Monday. Today, actually pretty similar to yesterday. Actually very similar. Yeah, we opened up basically near the same spot as yesterday. Um, M&Q is already above these highs, while MES is not. I mean, kind of just looking at this, there isn't like, yeah, we could push more into this gap, and eventually we'll have to go up, but like, we gotta draw there, we gotta draw there. Like, there's not a whole lot of liquidity to the upside, so maybe we sweep this out and go higher, like, who knows. But I just kind of favoring lower because we're already in like a deep downtrend and we just have more draws down there. So I was just kind of thinking. But coming into it, we got a little sussy. So instantly MQ is like, let me dump. It's like, yo, bro, can I dump? I was like, bro, if you want, like, I was like, if you want to dump, MQ, go ahead. MQ decides to dump. Break structure and swept up these lows. There's only an hourly low that swept. So trading to the downside, I'm still like, I can still easily trade because we have all these lows and didn't even take out a session low. London lows like, I think this. Yeah, London lows here, then Asian gap, and then Asian lows all the way down here. So I was like, all right, this is a little sussy. Technically, I mean, yes, it's still bearish. We didn't break structure. And we technically made probably an SMC, but it was still super early in the market open. I was like, all right, maybe if we invalidate this, we just swept these lows. I was like, yeah, I'm not going to enter just off that. I would want a 5-minute retrace anyways. We ended up getting the 5-minute retrace. So now I'm like, 5-minute retrace, break structure, we set that low. Maybe if we get another down candle, make an SMT. I'll like, I was like, oh, I'm gonna enter off for 1 minute like that. No. Did I get any sort of SMT? I mean, yes, it's very close to this high. I think MEQ, that high was already previously taken out, which is this. I don't know why on this one. Like, look, I go to a higher time frame on this right side, MES. Boom, go to the 5-minute. It goes right back, but MEQ just decides to teleport me across the screen. We ended up taking it out. Boom. At this point, I'm like, we might just bull run. We end up not just bull running. Price comes back down. Boom. Invalidate. So now I'm like, bang. Now we have a gap. All I need now is really just a 5-minute retrace. Hopefully into this gap. And then boom. We're taking a trade. We end up not getting the 5-minute retrace. And just I was almost considering taking a trade right here. But considering that we actually took out one of those already, I was like, it would be very possible that price reverses, and none of those should have been my first TP. So I'm not gonna trade after my first TP gets taken. I ended up dumping more, but I think that was the best thing to do. Um, Overall psychology for today, felt really good. I wasn't like, I think at this point in my trading, like, I don't know, I guess it's just a lot more peaceful. Like, I'm not like stressing about entering or exiting or this or that. It's just like, take the trade, win loss, learn from it over time, learn the strategies profitable. I will be profitable. I think the only thing that's messing me up sort of is that the eval stage I can win these 2 trades. But even with that, I think I'll eventually, with this strategy, have 3 winning trades in a row. It's just I'll eventually have it. One day it'll happen, and then I'll pass the account, and then I will be on the funded, and then I'll be able to risk and be able to lose like 7 to 8 trades in a row, which I don't think that would ever happen. Not, and if it does happen, it might happen like by the time that happens, I probably would have had a payout most likely, so it would have paid off. So I think I'm in a very good mindset as of right now. And yeah, just gonna keep trading, and I think the future is going to be good. I'm very, I wouldn't say confident, but just very excited for the future. I guess. I think, just the time put in, the effort, and just I think my overall psychology has improved through reading books, and then just time and time again losing trades, winning trades, and just feeling every emotion possible. So, just excited. But overall, no trade today. I think news wise, this week is whole lot of nothing. Whole lot of Diddy. Yeah, whole lot of Diddy. CPI 730. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. I'm also gonna make a investing account for like long term stuff. I'm very into that, which will be good. I really like making these videos. And I'm definitely gonna be consistent now that I'm off mono and in the summer. So, and even when I go back to school, I'm gonna be making these videos because I won't be playing basketball. So the fall, even in soccer season, will be easy to make videos. Like I'll be locked in. Let's just say that. So gonna make the investment account, and it will be good. Because right now I'm at like, well, 10 to 12K for the account. So I just want to see how it grows, and I can track that through my YouTube channel. Mm. And I feel like that these are like smaller videos. I think that's gonna be like, I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it because this I can just go over each like trade or each day, trade or not trade, which is kind of like infinite content for that. I guess it's infinite content because market always moves and you talk about the stock, but I don't know exactly how I'm gonna make videos for that. Now I think of it, especially because I don't have a whole lot of expertise. Maybe I just go over the moves I do or what I'm thinking. And I have to think. Well, I'll think about that. I'm gonna make the account today though. I don't know what I'm gonna upload my first video. I gotta think about what I want to make. But as it for today, I'll see you in the next one.